Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so no go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm room. I don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, first to retire was the trial judge, facing heavy criticism for the way he handled Vybz Kartel's initial trial. Now, viewers and subscribers, the president of the Court of Appeal seems to have been forced into early retirement as well. However, he seems to have been rewarded for the role he played during the appeal, choosing to uphold the initial conviction. He faced heavy criticism as well. But viewers and subscribers, on the recommendation of our government and our judicial system, he has been appointed as the president of the Court of Appeal in the Turks and Caicos Islands. Now, viewers and subscribers, the governor of the Turks and Caicos Islands, Nigel Darkin, was quoted as saying, "We are extremely pleased to have had recommended to us such an experienced and well-regarded jurist." Keyword, recommended, viewers and subscribers. Hence why people are saying this was clearly him receiving a reward for upholding the initial conviction. Based on the appeal itself, viewers and subscribers, based on the trial itself, the teacher should have been acquitted. And the fact that the president of the Jamaica Court of Appeal chose or was forced into retirement locally, but retained almost the very same job title and description in a different Caribbean island, viewers and subscribers, it's cause for concern. This looked like corruption at its highest level. Remember, the initial trial judge also chose retirement right after. Now it seems, with pressure being applied to the system, they must shuffle the card deck. And Justice Morrison, viewers and subscribers, probably hoping to escape any fallout that might occur, has been given the job title as the president of the Court of Appeal in the Turks and Caicos Islands. Talk to me, viewers and subscribers. Some have even argued the fact, viewers and subscribers, that the DPP also reaching the age of retirement. The Justice Morrison was the age of 70. The DPP also reaching the age of retirement was also rewarded an extension to her tenure by the governor. Also, was the Governor General the same person who recommended Justice Morrison for the appointment of job title of basically doing the same thing in a different island as he was doing here. So why was not his tenure extended here? He basically did the same job in a different country. But some have also stated the fact that the system is being viewed through a microscope at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers. Millions being misallocated at different ministries. Individuals from the current administration being caught with their hands in the cookie jar, as what them that say. This administration is under a heavy pressure at this moment in time. And some would say, I just fly out Justice Marks as being the head, the president of the appeal court locally and overseeing this matter personally. So this happened on Fee Watch. All of what take place, not the trial, and all that was appealed and brought to his desk. Him watch this take place and chose to uphold the initial conviction of viewers and subscribers. See them now, retirement, gone over a different country. The whole of them see it. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. Enough of them I wonder what the fallout will be like, because we don't know. We don't know how this will look after the teachers is freed. Basically, all that was highlighted shined a light on the justice system. Many people take it for granted, being that we are from a society basically where time and time again certain matters are brought into the light and they don't hear nothing more about it. Just like how some people say, we're going with the education minister. In their prison, we're going with him case. You don't hear nothing more about it. Because for the better part, majority of these stories and topics are normally covered by organized media. Written form, as a matter of fact. And them choose not to run these stories, you will hear nothing more about them. But in this day and age, with the advent of technology and the fact that different people from different sources, viewers and subscribers, are presenting these questions to the powers that be. And do not kid yourself, these are matters of grave importance to everybody involved. And them see the people are concerned this is now a topic of discussion in a whole heap of different circles. With what go on worldwide, you have to pay attention to legislation being passed. You have to pay attention to how the judicial system is being run. Who are run it? Is it being influenced by an outside source? Them a work with the constitution or what? Are the laws just words on paper? These are things of importance for every citizen, whether living here or even if you just pass through, even for visitors. You have to know the laws of the land where you are visit so that you don't break them. But think about it, viewers and subscribers. The fact that the trial judge himself retired after the trial, facing heavy criticism, and the fact that everybody paying attention to almost 2 years of waiting on this appeal. People start to say, but wait, what go on here, so? Oh! Them don't release the teacher. Why? Some people have even presented the question, it never need for reach at the Privy Council. Why wasn't our judicial system prepared to release the RTs? To which some have presented the answer of saying outside influences being pressured from here and from there. And see it? Some people that say this is obvious now because Justice Morrison was rewarded. And basically that. There's no other way to state it. We couldn't state it another way. Some people that say Morrison was just basically rewarded for, his role of keeping the status quo the way it is. So viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. If you feel like in this case in particular slightly resembles the same situation with the DPP being able to get that extension. First we've ever seen it. Yeah, at the first it has ever occurred in our judicial system. The first time extend, a DPP's tenure. Facing the high level of criticism that she has been facing over the years, not just recently. And then still awarded an extension. Same thing for Dennis Morrison. Also being awarded with an extension as well, just in a different country, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me. But the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them, no, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm just suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. So what more want to do? Want to drop a like and bust a share on the vlog. In truth, comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can, yes, indeed continue the reasoning via the comment section. You man, I move settings from I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, wanna live, love, and yes, prosper, viewers and subscribers until we reason again.